Good afternoon. Let's take a look in your student handbook in the chart plotting student handbook, page number 2. Asks us just to familiarize ourselves with some of the publications, the nautical publications like the Light List and the Coast Pilot. So let's start with the Light List. It asks us to find these various aids to navigation, and then to give us a description of the aids to navigation. So in the Light List, which is the first half of your book, okay, we've kind of combined the Light List and the Coast Pilot into one binder, so to speak. There's an index in the back. So you want to turn to the back of the first book, okay, the beginning of the book, the Light List, and you want to find the various aids to navigation. So we have Latimer Reef. So we're going to find that in the index, which is alphabetical. Okay, we're going to find Latimer Reef. Okay, so here we have Latimer Reef, and we're going to look for Latimer Reef Light. Okay, note there's several Latimer Reefs, so we want to make sure we're looking at the correct one. And we see that it's 18665. That's the number of the light. So we would want to record that. We would want to write down number 18665. Okay, to indicate that that's Latimer Reef Light's number. And then we would turn in the actual list of lights to 18665. So you can see that the numbers on the left-hand column of the page indicate the chart, the light number or the aid to navigation number, and they're listed chronologically. Then it gives the name of the light. So here's Latimer Reef Light, number 18665. It gives its position in latitude and longitude. It gives a characteristic or a description saying FLW6S. It's a flashing white light every 6 seconds. The height of the light is 52 feet, okay, and it has a range of 9 nautical miles. All right. It gives the description of what it looks like. It gives remarks like it has a bell that has 2 strokes every 15 seconds. So anything we wanted to know about Latimer Reef Light, we could find right here in that section. So in this next exercise, we want you to go ahead and look up all these various aids to navigation in the index, determine what the number is, what the color, and what the range of each individual light is. So let's do it together. Now that you've already done it, let's just double check. So let's find Race Rock Light. Okay, so we look for the letter R, and we find that Race Rock Light somewhere in this neighborhood. Here we go. We have Race Rock Light. So that's number 18395. Okay, we can turn to 18395. Okay. 18665, we're getting close. 18405, 18395, 18395 Race Rock Light. Okay, so here it is. It gives a description of the light. 18395. Again, make sure you're looking at the correct one. It's a flashing R, so it's red. And its range is 19 nautical miles. So I'm going to write that down, 19 nautical miles. Okay, let's take a look at Cerberus Shoal. So again, we turn to the index in the back of the Light List section. Remember, there's 2 books here, so don't turn to the index in the Coast Pilot. Stay in the index of the Light List and look for Cerberus Shoal. Okay, again, it's alphabetical. Okay, and now we're looking for Cerberus Shoal. C-E-R, Cerberus Shoal. Here we have it. Cerberus Shoal Lighted Gong Buoy 9. So it's 18390, number 18390. Now I turn to that page. Okay, I find 18390. 18405, I'm getting close. 18390, I think is what I said, 18390, and it's right down here. Okay, and it tells me that it is a 18390 is flashing G. G means green, so it's green. And its range, okay, is how far it can be seen from, would be 4 miles. So we put 4 miles. Okay, now we look for the next one, Shagwong. Okay, so again, I'm looking in the index, Shagwong. Here we have Shagwong. Shagwong, here it is. Shagwong, I saw it, here we go, 7SR, which is the one they're describing, and that's 18445, so I'm going to write that down, 18445, and then I'm going to turn to that page in the book, 18445, 18445, I'm close. 18405, 445. Here we have it. Okay, so it is a green buoy, and it can be seen for 4 miles. Okay, and then of course the last one, Montauk Point Light. So again, I'm going to look up Montauk Point alphabetically. And here's the Montauks. Nope. Montauk, M-O-N, M-O-U-M-O-N, Montauk, here, point. Here's the Montauk Point Light. There's Montauk Point Whistle Buoy. So a whole bunch of things entitled Montauk Point. So be sure that you're looking at Montauk Point Light, which is number 670. And then we're going to turn to 670. Okay, 670 is right here, Montauk Point Light. Okay, it's a flashing white light, so it's a white. And its range is 24 miles, 24 miles. So it must be very tall, which it is. It's 168 feet. So that's how we use the light list to find aids to navigation and descriptions of those various aids to navigation. Use the index in the back to look it up, and then find the description, find the location, or whatever information you need regarding that various aid to navigation.